We are very happy to present our MLHSC 2023 paper, Retrieval Augmented Chest X-ray Report Generation using Open AI GPT models. We base our motivation on the previous work CXR Repair, a purely retrieval-based radiology report generation methodology based on a contrastively pre-trained model on radiology image text pairs and its sort of performance to retrieve clinically relevant entities. We also base our motivation on the instruction following capabilities of the LLM. When presented with a user-oriented task, instruction, and examples, we explore this capability of LLM in the context of radiology report writing. We propose radiology report writing as a retrieval augmented generation task, combining both approaches. We use the contrastively pre-trained model as a retrieval engine to fetch the relevant findings for a radiology image, then use LLM as a natural language interface to perform a radiology report writing task using the retrieved findings. We would like to call out some advantages that goes with the RAG-based approach for enhanced clinical relevance. We can introduce a metadata filtration phase based on attributes like age, gender, or clinical patterns like crazy paving or others, and then perform the impression matching and similarity filtration based on similarity threshold to produce a high quality output for the LLM response synthesis module. We can further improve the quality of the impression output by introducing instructions in the LLM response synthesizer module to avoid follow-up radiographs or information related to prior reports in the patient records to produce a high quality impression output. We can also further modulate the output to be either in a free text form or in a structured report output format. A big advantage is that this approach helps to alleviate hallucination because we can ground the clinical entities in the generations to the clinical entities in the retrievals. We performed our evaluations on the CXR Pro test set and MXCXR phrase grounding dataset on different metrics like BERT score and clinically relevance metrics like sentence embedding score, which measures the pathology similarity, and RADgraph F1, which measures the overlap in clinical entities. We see that the RAG-based approach brought an absolute improvement of 5% in the BERT score in the CXR Pro dataset and 2.5% improvement in the sentence embedding score. A qualitative evaluation of the output shows that the RAG-based approach produces a much cleaner output, eliminating the disjoint, contradictory, and noisy information found in the retrieval-only approach. We also performed a radiologist evaluation on 40 records and 7 different error categories. Let's hear the radiologist feedback.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. K. Vishnuvardhan Reddy, a practicing radiologist at Narayana Health City, Bangalore. I have evaluated the chest radiographs and the AI models, and both models were able to identify clinically relevant and critical findings. The RAG-based model generated significantly lesser number of incoherent, contradictory findings and also had much lesser noisy. Most of the errors involved findings related to tubes, drains, cardiac devices, and their positions. There is room for improvement in both models with regard to size and severity of findings. In cases with similar looking findings like pleural plaques and nodules, it would be better to generate the finding and allow the radiologist or clinician to interpret. As a radiologist, I am very excited to see how these AI models will assist in our workflow and patient care. Thank you.